High-quality medicines and doctors' treatment plan is the very essential foundation for patients' healing, especially for the chronic disease patients. In our country, its environment is very harsh, so the expertise and education of the doctors and pharmacists, combined with the availability and the knowledge of the premium quality medication, it is very essential for us.
The Denk Pharma promise, quality for your health made in Germany, ensures that every patient, no matter in which country, receives the same premium quality medicine as you would receive in a German pharmacy.
The collaboration aligns on the Denk Pharma purpose, creating access to healing by availability of premium medication, creating access to know-how and expertise for healthcare professionals as the foundation of patient healing.
The quality of our tablets starts with the selection of the right active pharmaceutical ingredients, excipients, and special purified water. Once the production is done, it's time for our final tablet check. By this time, over 100 tests have been done. Randomly selected samples return to our quality control lab. After the requirements have been met, Denk Pharma products receive a certificate of analysis. It is issued by a qualified person who personally guarantees for the quality of our tablets. Then, and only then, we distribute the final product to our customers.
It is often difficult to access medical care due to long distances. Therefore, a considerable number of patients are seriously ill and are admitted to third-level clinical hospitals. During the COVID-19 pandemic, our hospital received many severe cases, complicated by respiratory failure and pneumonia. I believe that our hospital was able to provide sufficiently effective care during the COVID-19 period and save many lives. And using high-quality and reliable medicines is extremely important.
Access to medicines in rural areas continue to be one of the biggest public health challenges that we face as a country. This is often occasioned by the fact that we have a big disparity in urban centers and underserved areas. There are also logistical and infrastructural challenges. Sometimes there's even the problem of availability and affordability of these medicines. So these challenges create a certain void, and it is that void that counterfeit medicine peddlers tend to take advantage of into those rural areas, and it compromises the quality of our pharmaceutical care delivery.
I have hypertension. I've had it for about 3 years now, and I'm currently on medications to treat it. About 4 months ago, I couldn't get my medications from my usual place, so I contacted my sister to help me get it. I realized that after taking that medication, my body wasn't the same. My heart was beating fast. I was still getting the headaches that I was getting previously before being diagnosed with hypertension. The medications my sister got for me looked exactly like the previous ones I got myself. The 2 tablets look the same. How do we know which one to trust? But then I spoke to my doctor and my pharmacist, who I have complete trust in, and they've been able to guide me to get the medication that works for me. So currently my BPs are in check, and I'm really happy about that.
Counterfeit medicines have a direct impact on the quality of our healthcare outcomes. In fact, it is these counterfeit medicines that are responsible for treatment failures and some of the resistance that we are seeing. What makes counterfeit medicines insidious is their invisibility. We do not see counterfeit medicines with our naked eye, but when we take them in, they do not give us the required output that we expected. And that is why it is important for our patients to source their medicines from the right places. We must take our medicines from recognized and registered pharmacies. It's also important to understand that the product packaging is important. Look out for discoloration, the absence of certain details like the expiry dates. Again, if medicines are unusually low in prices, it must be a sure sign for you that something is amiss. In all, when in doubt, ask the pharmacist so that you get the right medicines at all times.
Availability, premium quality medicine, and the know-how and expertise of healthcare professionals is the foundation for patient healing.
Denk Pharma. Quality for your health. Made in Germany.